Right, now we're going to learn a song using the notes middle C, D and E. First we're going to watch and listen, then we're going to practice and then play with rhythm. Ready? Right, now it's time to practice. Ready? Play. Alright, now it's time to play with the rhythm. Ready? Let's play.